Good day, guys. Market is very good, hyping now. Every coin is just in bullish mode. If you see the Solana, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, XRP, every coin is just creating their hypes. So I think if 2025 will be the greater marketplace for cryptos, then Dogecoin can hit $3, I think, and XRP can hit $5 around. But $3 must if hype will start at 2025, and you will get the turn in $1. Also, you will get Ethereum maybe $10,000. Shiba Inu can kill 2-0 from here. Very good fundamental opportunities for the Shiba Inu. And Toncoin, I think this will go for $30. I think it for sure. Toncoin $30 can hit the price. Shui just going up. I think it will hit $10. Chainlink, maybe it is possible to touch $100. Bitcoin Cash approximate $4,000 is possible. So you guys thought you can do, you can have some small investment in this coin. And AVAX, don't forget to invest on AVAX. I think this will go for 500 or $300 for sure. I think. Okay, thank you guys. See you soon.